2024 marks a special milestone for the PROSTEP Group, as for 30 years they've been supporting industries like automotive, mechanical and plant engineering and shipbuilding, ensuring seamless digital continuity. They've offered comprehensive solutions and services to the manufacturing industries, both PLM consulting and solutions. Let's find out more about their contribution to the digital transformation landscape. Peter, what are the current industry trends and the challenges that your customers face and that you need to deal with?
So we've already heard quite a lot about the virtual twins here at the conference. Coming with that, at our customers who are typically developing complex products, we are seeing the trend to realize the real systems engineering, providing the model-based enterprise MBE, and with that also realizing the digital thread throughout the complete life cycle of products. And this comes with a lot of challenges, of course, guaranteeing this digital continuity and traceability throughout the life cycle.
So what is your response to this need and to these challenges?
I mean, as you said, we are developing our integration solutions, and we see more and more projects coming up where we are really specifically developing integration solutions for integrating these different domains, not only PLM, but also ALM, requirements management, systems modeling like CATIA Magic, for example, bringing this together with all of the other tools you have in your enterprise and really having specific integration solutions throughout the complete life cycle of a product. Besides, we are also having an own consulting team, which has a strong expertise also in consulting our companies or our customers in this field of realizing the interfaces between PLM, ALM, in these different specific domains in the enterprise. So we see a lot of potential also there.
We see that AI is dramatically accelerating the transformation in economy and society. We also see that companies who need or want to stay ahead of the game really need to act now. What's your approach to AI?
For us, it's a topic also cross-enterprise for PROSTEP itself. So coming together in all of our different departments, you can say, starting with software development, but also in our solution portfolio. So we also have an own group in between in the company talking about AI, künstliche Intelligenz. We are on the one hand also consulting our customers in the engineering domain. Where can AI play a role for them? Where do we see the major benefits? Please have a look in the internet and also on publications where we are constantly communicating on that with white papers, etc. And also in our own solutions, we bring in specific AI functionalities, just as an example, in migration projects, really analyzing these old systems and data, and from there try to increase the data quality upfront before you go into your data migration into a new environment like 3D Experience.
Sounds like there's a lot to do, a big field of tasks and things to deal with.
Absolutely, we're looking forward.
Thank you.